Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Mercedes CLS Class 2004 to 2010? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2004 to 2010 Mercedes Benz CLS Class controls and protects interior electrical systems such as power seats, infotainment, and climate control. It ensures steady power flow and reliable operation of cabin features. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the Mercedes Benz CLS Class 2004 to 2010 manages fuses and relays for systems like seat adjustments, tire pressure monitoring, Parktronic, audio gateway, heated rear window, and various accessories. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Mercedes CLS Class 2004 to 2010 integrates the main power distribution for critical control units, including the engine management, MESFI, and rear SAM modules, and supports the fuel pump and air injection relays. The front and rear pre-fuse boxes in the Mercedes Benz CLS Class 2004 to 2010 together support high amperage supply circuits, including high output modules like the SAM control units, air conditioning booster fan, battery relay, and stability system control, ensuring major subsystems receive and distribute power effectively. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.